Sa meron ka dyan. Why are you naked? Bakit ka daw nakubad? In the Philippines, that is normal.
What?
That is Tito Aldo.
Ito.
5 ml.
5 ml Keto Pay. May dadapranid man eh. Yeah, paracetamol. Masukay mo. Si Shana, magpataya mo. Tayo plutan, may pinamik na may pinamik doon, pansabay mo.
This video will take
Ande!
2 hours. This video will take 3 to 10 hours.
Come here, Anthony. Regalo inalamay. Hi.
Wala ni may sakay.
Kuya, down!
Ay, atay na ba?
You're unnaked
Ano,
before.
sundo mo yung pag-inom. Singa 3 times ganyan.
Malang ko ano?
Hi.
Yung suratan ba?
Look
Yung
like
iPad.
a stone egg.
Anthony!
Sila tata, iniwan ito sa akin
It
dalawa.
looks like a stone egg.
Wala ni tinilas ko ni.
Ang pilit na isulungan.
Sa picture!
Ang nilakaw may tikita yung tinilas ko ni.
You talk to Kuya Enrico. He is naked also. You ask him.
Kalaksab ka po.
Why are you naked?
Kalaksab ka. At yung bagamay.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Akin nakalaksab ka kuno.
Anthony, I'm asking you. Don't touch it.
What is that? Matches?
Yes, matches.
Normal ka mo, normal ka mo.
Hindi na.
Ayaw normal.
You
Normal
are
ang Pilipinas,
clean
unya ka mo.
naked. 3%
So very
naked.
hot.
Because in the Philippines, it's hot.
It's hot. Okay, pawis yan. Ito'y pawis.
Lingoy.
Who is this? Who is this?
Kulang ng mamin.
Kuya?
Mami, kulang to.
Where is your mommy? He is asking you, where is your mommy?
Sa picture.
She's going to the office.
Pero, ship yellow pa na natin.
She's going to the
Yeah,
office.
do. Ba't di ka sumama?
Sana ka na iban.
Puso?
Kasi Tintin, wala itong kasutulaw.
Puso.
Si Ivan din.
Kaya ba nag-aalala si Atoy?
Si Ivan din, nan utakalab yan.
Hi!
Si Shana.
Buti na lang tagakatapos camera. Ang guligol ako nung isang gabi.
Where?
Dani, amin lara ko nung kanalang do.
Baka sa auto. Init siya kalamig.
Mga nabao. Pinito ang pura, may punti, ang lupo. Katipakan ng da.
Hi. Say hi, sir.
Hay mo. Say hi ka mo. Say hi mo. Amay. Nanduduma mo ta. iPad is taba-taba mo. Appear. Yan siya na. Katagang pa po sa Ivan.
Fluffy. Fluffy, fluffy.
Ano yan nung alaga nyo ngayon? Dalawa. Dalawa. Okay, ano yun? Si mama.
Wow. So,
You want?
Pero andyan yung sabi nila.
hey.
Parang tamag yung susmi ko.
Ibabagan ng banto.
Paano ka ba Gatorade?
Kalbo!
Matala. Ito mura.
Duara, bilis ka mo labat. Para hindi ka gusto kay Gigi.
Those rabbits are stinky. They
You're it rabbit.
so dirty.
Babagan naman to. Babagan ng bigay.
I'll take a picture. No.
No. Baka mabasag.
I want to get a
Isang
big
food. Isang food rabbit. Wow! Ito mekos ni rabbit, ah. Isa fair. Uy, cookies! Pagkainin natin sila, ah. On. Arpit! Arpit!
no more rabbit food.
No.
There's some left.
Right. Right. That's right. Mekos na.
Hey!
So very cute.
No.
Iya po. Iya si Alfred. Guwapo. You're so handsome. Guwapo. Teka na?
Geng geng. Geng geng. Geng geng kinalad ka.
But I want to make a video.
Video for what?
Anthony and Alfred.
Oh, okay. What do you want to
Turotot.
Torotot.
Or
What
is
do you want a topic for?
kulang ng iba.
And then
Video lang si. Stop your video. We'll watch it. Stop it.
but I want the video to get longer.
Longer. What kind of video?
Pasok na yung isa.
It's Anthony and Alfred feel.
Akus.
Stop to Kuya Enrico. Stop to Kuya Enrico.
Say hi, kay.
Stop to Kuya Enrico.
This video is called My Feel.
Ah, gaon.
Where's the Eiffel Tower come from?
Rabbit, Alfred. Look at the rabbit is eating.
Si Rob, at saka si Ben. Rabbit. Yeah, kumakain ng rabbit feeds.
The rabbit home.
Sumpok mo lang.
Wow.
I'm ambangan.
Ang bangat si Kuya Daron. Ito ba?
I'm ambangan.
Kuya Daron, you are ang bangat. Tama.
And you
Si Daddy nila, dyan.
Hindi po.
You are a sirog.
Daron.
Daron? Who is Daron? Who is Daron? Is he?
Yes.
Who is Kuya Enrico?
Here.
How about Ate RR? What's my name?
Tita Dahlia.
Oh, very good. Good job, Anthony. How about you, Alfred? Who is Ate RR? Where is Ate RR? And how about Kuya Enrico? Kuya Enrico? Kuya Enrico? Over there! How about Kuya Daron? Kuya Daron?
There or no there.
Ang bangat ka mo. You said, ang bangat, Kuya Daron. Pogi ay ay po. May I see your video? Enough video? Enough?
No,
You press it.
but I want my video to reach 64.
64.